Welcome to Label Resizer. In this video, I'll show you how to resize your FedEx shipment labels using the Label Resizer Chrome extension. First, let's go to Label Resizer and install the Chrome extension. Once it's installed, refresh the Label Resizer page. Now let's configure our shipment label settings. For example, let's set it to a 4-up label format. Next, go to FedEx and create a shipment as you normally would. Once your shipment is created, you'll see a Resize Shipping Label button generated by Label Resizer at the bottom. When you click this button, your labels will be automatically resized in seconds based on your shipment settings. You can also see Label Resizer buttons on the FedEx Shipments page. When you click this button, your labels will be automatically resized in seconds based on your shipment settings. Label Resizer, the smart way to print labels.